Hello, this is Joan of Art and people, and welcome to our Ilonggo channel. Let's learn about some Ilonggo words. This time, I would like to illustrate to you words, synonyms, and other descriptive words for small. And I got the word in mind when I saw this tree that's not growing very well. So I blurted out the word kuritot. So why is this tree kuritot? And what does kuritot mean? And I show you why it's kuritot. This is an iba tree. In Tagalog, this is called kamyas. I don't know what it's called in English, but it bears a lot of fruit, especially on the trunk. And the fruits are very sour, so they can be pickled, and a great ingredient for souring, especially sour soups. And I was expecting that this tree would be growing big by now, but it's sort of, not as leafy as I'm expecting it to be. And the leaves are also falling out, so not very healthy. That's why I'm reminded of the word kuritot. So I was asking myself, why did this tree become so kuritot? And because of that, I came up with this video. Oh, anything that's smaller than usual or malnourished. Kuritot is also a nickname given usually to girls who are quite small. Yeah, very petite. So you can make it as a nickname for little girls who are very, very tiny. So that's kuritot. And it's kind of sweet, cruel way of giving a child its nickname for being way too small. Kuritot is like, to describe the word, it's like you're crouching and curling up and making yourself really, really, really small, that you can fit in a really, really tiny space. So that's what kuritot means. And another variant for kuritot is kuribod. Also small, but climbing, thin, wiry, and it's kind of clingy also. So it's kuribod, kuritot and kuribod. But the normal words, the regular word for small is gamay. And when you see something that's really very small, you can say kagamay, or if it's even smaller, kagamay-gamay, and also kagaming. So these are diminutives. And kagaming-gaming, and also kagamitot. I didn't realize we have a lot of synonyms for the word small. So another word for small is GIPOS, meaning it's malnourished, undernourished, so that its growth has been stunted, so it wasn't able to grow to its fullest potential, that it's become gipos. Very thin, very small, and so it's gipos. For boys who have not grown as big as they're expected, or they're smaller than the usual size of the population, they're called gipos, and for that they earn the nickname gipoy. So I have a friend that Pasit calls Gipoy for being very small. So he's a small guy. So he earned the nickname Gipoy. It's not generally derogatory to be called Gipoy or Kuritot. It's just the Ilonggo culture maybe. So it's just the Ilonggo people's way of affectionately saying bad word to a person. So they love the person, but unfortunately for being smaller than usual, they give this descriptive nickname for them. Spasit. Yes? Ang mga gamit to ang mga frame kag ang mga because of the Ilonggo nature of inventing words from a simple root word. So there could be other derivatives for the Ilonggo word for gamay or small, but that's all that I can remember for now. So just take note of those words. I've seen in the comments section that I should be listing down all these words, but since I cannot be bothered, I'm sorry. I have to admit that I get so lazy sometimes, also because I have other things to do as well. So just cannot be bothered. Maybe I should, but yeah, it's also a good thing that you are interactively sharing your notes in the comment section and putting all those words for other people to read. So I thank you for that. Special mention to oh la la, muy bien. Hello there. And some other regular viewers for watching us. Thank you so much. And see you once again in our next video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye for now. By the way, this is People So Healed.